Good evening, world. King Fuchsia Says. Another episode of King Fuchsia Says. And let me give you the proceedings right now. It seems that I have a squatter, a stowaway, in my engine right now. Never fails. It is a whole raccoon in my engine. So I'm going to carefully lift this up and get this sucker on his way. You can't make this up. Take a look for yourself. Let me get a little closer. I don't know if the Joker's dead or it's sleeping. All I know is there's a whole raccoon in my engine. Hey! Ain't no squatter's rights. Get out. It's a raccoon in my engine. Yes. It's a raccoon in my engine. Nope. He ain't even jumping. He ain't even moving. I'm wondering if he's still alive. Huh? I think this may be a job for the boys in blue. More on that later. Let me get some good pics for you real quick, just so you see. Joker is stretched out in my Jeep. Right there. So, part 2 of King Fuchsia Says Racoon in the Engine was unsuccessful. Called the police. They don't handle wildlife. I called pest control that was supposed to be 24 hours. They not 24 hours. So, hey, get out. Get out. Get. Go. There you go. Right there. I told you. Nope. Go. I told you. There you go. Moving around. Now you're going to try to go back down. Look at that. He's trying to go back down. Yeah, whichever way you came in, you got to get out, buddy. Sorry. Hey. And all the damage you did to my vehicle, hold on. There you go. Go. This motherfucker's still under here. You see that shit? Yeah. Like I said, all the damage you did to the vehicle is coming out of your security deposit. Don't get to running now. Huh? Yeah. Take your goofy ass on somewhere.